Hello guys, for this video guys, ito ang lagyan ng butin guys. Ito ang butin. Paano ito i-refill? Ito ang series guys, inject. Ito ang rubber. Ito lagyan ito guys ha. Tapos guys, ilagay dito ang butin. At ito ang refill. Walang sulod iso. Tingnan guys, walang sulod ha. Ato ilagay dito guys ha. Ito ang walang singaw guys ha. Ayan. Ayan guys. Okay, so mayroon na guys. No? Ito guys. No? Mayroon na ang butin guys, so. Isa pa guys. Isa pa. Ganyan so. Itong rubber guys, lagyan dito para walang singaw guys. Ang itong butin, ito, okay. Ayan guys. No? Na mayroong sulod guys, oh. Ito na. So guys, ato ni kuan guys na tingnan to guys, kung maklik ba guys, pumutok ko to. Ito ang check valve guys, check valve. Ito itawag guys ha. Dito ang kuan guys, tingnan mo may guys oh. Lagi dito. At tapos lagyan dito guys so guys, ito na guys oh. Ito ang butin guys, check valve. So ispada guys, kung maklik mo to, pumutok mo to. Guys, so guys, ispada guys ha. Guys. So guys, pumutok ko guys. Isa pa guys, isa pa. Firing guys, firing. Go. So guys, let's go. So guys, isa pa guys. Tingnan mo guys, ito ang butin. Ang butin guys oh. Ito ang check valve. So guys, so close guys, play. So ang lakas guys, please support my YouTube channel, Iso Vlog. Please subscribe, like and share.